I have a hart brushless mower that's about a year old. When I put battery in, lights come on mower but will not start. If it is motor for mower issue, can I fix it or would need to replace mower?
What's the brand and model of your lawn mower?
Harr 40V brushless.
How long has this been going on with your lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
About week, changed outlets to charge battery.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, my name is Sorry you are having this issue. Given that the machine is only a year old, it should still be covered under warranty. I would contact the manufacturer to get a replacement before taking the machine apart and risking voiding the warranty. Hope this works out for you. Hope everything is well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.